Alright, so as you guys can tell by the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. You guys know that I love Boxycharm. I love doing these. I love getting Boxycharms so much. I don't think I've done them for like the past like 2, maybe even 3 Boxycharms I've gotten. Again, if you hear weird noises, my dog is sleeping at my feet and she's snoring, so that happens in all my videos. But anyways, we're just going to dive into this. I actually threw away the card that tells you how much things cost. So yeah. Okay, so the first thing we got were these Farrah brushes. It's called Farrah brushes, but these are tweezers, and they were so cool. So when I pulled them out of the box, I was like, okay, we got some tweezers, all right. So anyways, they look like this, but they're dual-ended. So there's the like thicker side and the more pointy side on this side, and it's really cool, kind of like how it like bends and stuff. I don't know, so really cool. I do need to pluck my brow, so we're gonna get this mirror close up to my face and we're just gonna pluck my brows a little bit, you know, see how they are. I'm not really good at plucking my brows, but we're just gonna, oh my god. Okay, so we're just gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, this actually worked really good. I only used the pointy side, I didn't use the thicker side, but I'm gonna definitely keep using these because I'm always down for some tweezers. Oh yeah, as you guys can tell, I already have makeup on because like I don't have any like face products to like over dramatically use. And I went to school today and to a meeting for my job, and so this is what I had on. I didn't feel like taking it off. It's creasing like crazy, messing up, but you know how it is. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to go into is these Cover FX glitter drops. These are them. My camera doesn't autofocus, so I can't really show you guys too close up yet. Maybe I'll do like a close up afterwards. But I'm so excited about these because I've always wanted these. Now, liquid highlighter drops don't ever do too much for me, but every time I swatch these in the store, they're freaking amazing. So this is what I'm going to do. Glitter drops. These are the color... I don't think they have a color. Is it called Oblices? 103 Brussels? I don't know. My dog is snoring very heavily. But anyways, we're just going to use these. So I had already swatched them on my hand earlier, but I'll swatch it for you guys again, just on a good amount. Just put it on the hand. Kind of hard for you guys to see, but they're pretty glittery. Okay, so we're gonna see how these work. What's actually good is I actually forgot to put highlighter on today. I was like, I'm gonna film this video. I was like, oh no, I have highlighter on. I was looking and I was like, no, I don't. I can't believe I forgot highlighter. So this is a good thing. I'm just gonna, oh shit, probably shouldn't put that much. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna take, that's a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna take it on this side because I probably shouldn't use that much. And I'm gonna pat it in with my finger first. And then I'm gonna go in with the beauty sponge. You need to use like a little bit of product because it is a very oily, sticky product. And let's see, so far it's not blending terribly, honestly. Like, it doesn't look terrible. It is too dark for my skin. Like, when I look like this, it looks fine. But when I look forward, I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but like it's very enhanced and too dark. You can see like the golden flares of it. So I'm just gonna pat this in around the edges with my sponge. Super oily product, but like, honestly, I feel like it looks pretty good when I turn my head. Now, it is too dark for me, but I do know they have a bunch of colors, like ranges of colors. That looks pretty good. I don't know, I'm pretty liking this. We'll see like at the end of the video if it changes or anything, but it looks pretty dang good. Alright, so the next thing we got in this box is, which is actually something we get a lot. These are Luxie brushes. So these are golden. These are like the little, like, I'm assuming it's like a holiday set. I don't really know, but they are so beautiful. Literally like the most beautiful brushes I've ever had. Like glittery. You can't really see on camera, of course, but they're super glittery. Super beautiful. I am really excited because the shapes of these brushes are pretty cool. So of course we have like a simple, easy blending brush. Not really like a crease brush, but like, or not really like a overall like transition brush, but like a good crease brush. And then we have this pointed pencil one, which is pretty bomb. And then we have this one, which is like shaped kind of weird, and it's kind of like, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's kind of angled, but it's kind of pencil-y as well. So I feel like this would be good to like flare out ends and like get into the crease. I don't know, it might even be good to like lay down some matte shades. Pretty cool. And then we have this one, which I never understand, like I never use these brushes, but I feel like I should, because I feel like they'd be really good for flicking out the ends right here. I just never gravitate towards these brushes, but these are like the angled ones. But I have a ton of them that I get in collections, so I feel like it's probably a brush I should learn to use, but I don't know. We will try it today. We're gonna try it because that's what we're gonna do. All right, so the next thing we got in this box is the Ace Butte, I don't know if it's Butte or Butte, Grandoise palette. I don't know. This is what we got. Looks like this. Very beautiful fall colors. Love it. So yeah, we're gonna use this. So of course I already have mascara on, but whatever. We're just gonna go over on top of it. So I'm gonna be taking the Luxie 121 mini tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the color Clove, which is a very beautiful peachy color. So it's this color right here, tapping into this color right here. It's super pretty. I always like gravitate towards these colors for my transition, like I can't help it. Powdery, but like not crazy, so I'm just gonna tap into that again. And even though this isn't a super transition-y brush, I'm gonna use it anyways and just blend very heavily, because I am too lazy to get up and get another brush. So far, really pretty color. I'm really liking it. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a lot lighter, but it's pretty pigmented and it's blending really nicely. And actually this brush is working pretty good for like a transition brush also. It's working pretty darn good. Okay, I like that. So we're gonna go in again, just start blending out. All right, so now we're gonna go into the color Poppy, and I'm taking the Luxie 141 mini round brush. So this is like the little pointed brush, and I'm gonna go, it's this color right here. So I'm tapping into that, because when you got like a palette like this, you gotta go into the reds, like duh. So I'm going into that, and I'm gonna start out on the outer part. So far it's got a nice pigment to it. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. So I'm just blending this. And then of course I'm gonna start bringing it into my crease. All right, so far it's super pigmented. So I'm gonna go into the first brush we were using just to blend it out. So I'm gonna round it out right here and blend it. Okay, so that actually blended out really nicely. So far I'm impressed with this palette. I don't typically like, I don't know, when I look at these palettes, I don't know, when I like want a warm tone palette, I don't really like darker like shimmery shades. I like all the crazy, like super pigmented, glittery as fuck, super golden colors. But so far I'm liking this. So far, so good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the exact same thing on the other eye. Okay, so since I said I'm going to use this brush and didn't, I'm going to be using this little angled one. This is the Luxie 131 mini brush, and I'm just gonna use it to kind of help to like V out, triangularly shape out this outer corner just really quick. Okay, that's kind of cool. It really did kind of like really V out that area like really nicely. Okay. So maybe I'll start using this kind of brush more often. Alright, so since I don't have a flat brush, I'm just taking my own, and I'm going to be going into the color Primrose, which is the bronzy shimmery shade. It's like a, it's not like crazy shimmery, but we're going to go into it. So far, it's picking up very heavily on the brush. I'm going to spray my brush just as I always do with shimmery shades, just to be fair with it. Pick it up again, and I'm just going to start laying this on the lid. Okay, so it's not my typical shade that I lean toward just because I like a little bit more glitter to it. But honestly, I really like how it looks on the lid. It's actually a really, really pretty color. And the pigmentation and like formula of it's really, really nice. So honestly, I'm really liking, I'm liking this whole combo together. Not typically something I do, but I am really liking it. I'm just going to go into that brush and go into a little bit of red, the second brush we're using, and just run it under my eyes. Kind of hard because I have mascara on, but that's what I'm doing. Alright, so now I'm going into the last brush, which is that cool shaped like angle pointy brush. And it's the Luxie 111 mini flat angled brush. And I'm going to go into the color Jasmine, which is the very shimmery, beautiful, it looks like it's going to be a beautiful, beautiful highlight color. So I'm going to spray my brush because I always do this. I just sprayed it a little too much. And I'm going to pop this on the inner corner and brow bone. Yes, that is a really beautiful like inner corner color. So I'm really liking this. Alright, so far so good. I just put some lipstick on off camera, of course. Everything's holding up really nicely. This highlighter, honestly, like it is too dark for me, but normally I've been wearing like darker foundations, so I feel like it's gonna look good on my darker foundations, but it's really pretty. It's got like a nice glitter look to it, but not too like crazy bam in your face, weird glitter on your fucking face. Like it's looking really, really nice. Maybe a little oil texture to it, but not too crazy. I don't really touch my face throughout the day. For the eyeshadow palette, bitch, I'm really liking this. Like, I really like how this looks. I feel like I would probably put some eyeliner on it or something, but this looks really, really nice. I am like really, really happy. The colors blended out so amazing. They're super pigmented and nice. I didn't think I was gonna like this shade right here, but I really like it. It's like not too crazy on the eyes, but it just looks really, really nice. So yeah, I think this is pretty good. I've never heard of this brand before, so I'll have to check them out. I don't know the prices of any of these things, and I really don't feel like looking it up, honestly, so yeah. So the last thing we have is the Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleaner. Looks like this. I like Bodyography Pro. We've gotten some products of them before in the box, and I really do like them. So I have this little cotton pad, and I'm just gonna, I feel like, what do you do? I don't know. Do you like spray it on the brush first, or do you like spray it on the pad? I don't know. I'm gonna spray it on the pad first. So I'm taking a brush, taking it, and I'm gonna just clean it on camera for you guys, just so you guys can see. I'm trying to hold it properly. Okay, that cleans it pretty good. And honestly, it doesn't make it like super wet. Like that looks pretty good. And it doesn't make it too wet. Like I feel like I could just do my makeup again. Probably shouldn't put that on my face. But yeah, that works pretty good. I'm gonna do it again with the others. Let's try it with this one. We're gonna clean it again. Lots of it coming off. Still got some color on it. So maybe I should spray it like directly on the brush. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, yeah, that works pretty good. Now this brush is a lot more wet, I'm assuming because it's more dense, but yeah, that cleans it off pretty good if you need like a quick little fix of cleaning brushes, which is really nice, honestly, because I need that a lot. Because I am honestly like, I hate cleaning my brushes, and I normally just reuse them over and over and over and over for like a good month until I clean them. So, so I'm glad I have this because I can do it before filming, so you guys don't judge me. Alright, so yeah, that is everything in this month's Boxycharm. The spray, super cool. I like it. This palette is pretty bomb. Again, I've already talked about it, but I do really like this palette. The brushes, I really love the brushes. I am never disappointed with Luxie brushes. Honestly, like I just love them. They're so beautiful. They're so reflective and glittery and so pretty. I feel like they're a good size too, not too long, not too small. I really hate those mini brush sets because those are so purposeless. So to me, like I like a good size brush. So this is really pretty, super awesome. I'm loving the shapes. I'm about to film another video, so I'm definitely gonna use these in my next video. And then for the tweezers, they worked pretty good, honestly. Like they picked up the hairs on my eyebrows so quickly. So I am very excited about these. And then these glitters, I'm really excited about these, like super, because I've wanted them so bad, but I'm so cheap. I don't really ever buy high-end stuff unless I got it on sale or have like a gift card or something. Like I'm so cheap, and I've always wanted these. Super nice. I think it looks very beautiful and reflective on the cheeks. Does have a little oil texture. I feel like it's drying down now, honestly. Like yeah, it's pretty dried down now. We're pretty good, so yeah, I really like it. So yeah, that is everything in this month's Boxycharm. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment down below if you like these kind of videos, if I should do more Boxycharm unboxings. What other kind of like monthly subscription like boxes do you guys enjoy? It doesn't have to be makeup, I don't care. Just let me know. Again, I'm cheap, so yeah, just let me know down below in the comments, and I'd love to review some things for you guys. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next one.